Hey guys, Wandering Shell here. Once again, we're doing another painting video, this time with, it's like a little angel on a, like if you hang it on like your light switch or something. It's one of those. I don't know, I found it and I wanted to paint it because I can. And this is also helping me test some things and try new things. Like, so instead of doing tones, like I'm obsessed with, this is all pure paint, like just me trying to figure out this type of paint because the AK paint are very known to blend very nicely with each other, and so that's what I'm trying to do, is trying to blend it together. This thing is way bigger than I thought, like size wise, so you could barely see it on the camera, and I do apologize about that. I didn't realize how big this character is until I started painting her, and honestly she's not really a model like some of the other characters I paint. She's literally like a ceramic looking thing where you go to like a pottery store and you be able like to paint things like this. That's what she is basically, and that's fine with it because it gives me more ideas to test things out, especially with doing this. It gives me a better idea how to do it. So I started out with dark colors in like the crevices and then an off-white. Now I'm going back with pure white. That's anything raised gets a pure white. But I feel like this pure white isn't pure white. And I had a dark, like a even whiter white to go over on top of this already to make it even more bright. Honestly, I could have done like some silver too to change it up, but I left it as is. Somebody did suggest doing pearl white for a little bit of a pop, and I don't have pure pearl white, so meh. Anyway, with the tones, so I started out with the kind of like the beige tone or beige color, and then for the highlights I went up. So I started with after that I went to the sunny skin, and then I did a little bit on the basic, and then even centaur skin for blush, and that's pretty much it. She's so heavy on the spinner that she can't spin correctly. So this is what you're gonna get from me, unfortunately. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.